Hello students, myself Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen types of manuals. Today we are going to learn benefits of office manuals and limitation of office manuals. Benefits of office manual. It contains printed instructions and all the important decisions on the execution of office work. The method of doing job reduce and need for to the employees again and again. Second is office manual is an aid in the training of new employees because it gives them in a readily available from the established systems. They provide useful information on the refresher training course. They may be profitably to the employment and able to the employees. The use of manual is particularly helpful in large offices in firm having many branches with similar activities are performed. The office manual in such case bring about a uniformity in the office system. Office manual enables to the executives to make the decisions in reference to the instructions, policies content. They need for oral instruction and its many disadvantages. Next point is when employees are transferred from one office to another. An office manual makes it possible for them to pick up their work at the new location quickly without delay. They get idea of the responsibility, duties and authority of his job and proper relationship to other jobs as well as the rules and regulation to be followed for the performance of the job. Office manager can easily supervise the work of its subordinates and control them. Office manual help in fixing responsibility of employees for non-performance of this work. They reduces the chances of errors and frauds, and good office manual lead to reduction of office expenses. Limitation of office manual. It is very difficult to prepare and keep the manual up to date. Office manual leaves the scope of personal and talents on the part of executives. Office manuals bring a number of effective performance of work and instead bringing the free flow work. This system or procedures are likely to be misinterpreted. The language is used in the preparation of manual. If the manual are not used by the employees properly in time, the human resources and expenses spent on the preparation of manual, the disgrace of team spirit among the employees at times, sometimes inadequate or incomplete information may be given in the manuals. The limitations of an office manuals. The first are the written manual use little room for personal initiative on the part of the executives. The small firm cannot afford to have an office manual. Its writing are a costly and time consuming the process. Second, to keep a manual up to date is often a difficult job. Written in language, a manual is likely to be misinterpreted. It may put on record the relationship everyone is not may not like. So these were the various benefits and limitations of office manuals. Thank you.